Workforce Advisory Dean Cameron. Today we're having a look at a Fair Work Commission application involving several incidents of bad behaviour. The matter involves a long-term production employee and an application before the Fair Work Commission who was involved in several incidents where he was abusive and aggressive towards co-workers without any apparent provocation. The worker had been engaged by Fletcher Insulation for 38 years until he was terminated on the 7th of June 2021. He had previously been warned in November 2020 by the supervisor for using loud and offensive language towards co-workers, as well as touching the co-worker's chest with his finger. During the course of Friday the 30th of April 2021, the worker was involved in 3 incidents. Abusing a co-worker on the telephone, being abusive and aggressive towards a co-worker when which was witnessed, and later aggressive conduct towards 2 other co-workers. The 4th incident involved the employee breaking confidentiality in approaching one of the witnesses to discuss the investigation, despite being told not to do so. Fletchers provided the employee with a suspension letter at a meeting on the following Tuesday, the 4th of May, and stood him down whilst an investigation of the allegations was conducted. Fletchers formed the views that the employee had committed the offences, was aware of the company's policies on harassment and bullying, and further showed no remorse for his behaviour. Temporary from the testimony from the complaints and witnesses was consistent, and 2 of the incidents involving alleged aggressive were supported by CCTV footage. Deputy President of the Fair Work Commission that the decision to dismiss the employee was fully justified, as he commented. I have found that there are 3 or 4 valid reasons for the termination within the Fair Work Act, depending upon which incident is how the incident is characterised. This included repeated and offensive words and a confrontational and aggressive manner. Secondly, the applicant did in fact grab the arm of another co-worker and made fists in a threatening manner, and did anything to the effect of settling the matter outside, and was aggressive of some of the physical violence, was a suggestive of some physical violence. The Deputy President summarised the lack of remorse and other factors outweighed the length of service and other matters. In his view, the employer had to act to protect other employees. The employer is entitled to put a stop to such conduct and put a stop to any termination of employment. stop to it by termination of employment. In the absence of sufficient remorse to ensure that such conduct will not occur again. Consequently, the Deputy President dismissed the application. The matter is another example where employees' behaviour will be weighed up against their length of service, and that long application.